Yes guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new video. Today's going to be a bit of a different one today. At the start of the year, a friend of mine bought me a track day. Well, a track event should I say. It's basically an experience in an Audi R8 around a track, and because of the pandemic we wasn't able to get any track time involved. So now that the pandemic is eased, should we say, then obviously we've got it booked in and we're on the way down there shortly. So I'm just waiting for him to pick me up. It's down in a place called Abingdon, which is down near Oxford, I believe. It's about an hour away, I think. So he's going to pick me up in a minute, like I say, and we'll head down there, try and get some good footage of it, and try and show you the car and just come along for the experience with me if you want. If not, feel free to click off the video. Earlier this week, I did spray the top grille on the ST. I'll put a couple of pictures up now for you to see. And basically, I didn't film it because it was just a quick one really, and you're not going to really make much content out of spraying and a grill and wrapping the chrome surround. But let me know in the comments what you think of that, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you soon. Weird edit cut, but just need to explain why. The next lot of footage you're about to see is not of me, it's of my mate Steve, and Steve is the guy that booked this event for me, well, for us, to be able to drive the car. When we arrived in the morning, we signed in and that, we were given a little USB stick that plugs into the car. And there was two cameras in the car. There was one facing me and there was one facing outwards. So obviously you'd have eyes on the road and eyes on me and how I would drive in and what the instructor was saying to us and stuff. But for some reason my USB stick failed and the footage didn't come out. So Steve sent me his and I'll put that in. So enjoy Steve's driving around the track. Mine was pretty much the same. We drove the same car around the same track, did the same laps and whatever, so it was all the same. It's just obviously him driving and not me. But yeah, this is what we did.
Ready? All the way towards the yellow cones on the outside there. I'll try and pick as big as a gap as I can for you. So just gently count a couple of seconds and then we're going to go. Off we go, good. Feeding the power. Up again. Going all the way. Up again. Up again. And again. Keep it going. Lifting off onto the brake. Down again. Good. And then
that's in basically what we did. The weird braking noise was because the car actually had steel brakes, which I can only imagine is for maintenance purposes. You know, bombing around a track all the time, you don't want no carbon ceramics getting chewed up. But that was all I could really point out for that. It was a good event. It was good to do. Nice and nice to do something different. I've never driven a supercar or but had a chance to sit in anyone or anything like that. So that was good. Good experience, and I'll definitely be doing it again. Bit of a boring video, I would imagine, for some, but yeah, that's what I've been doing today. And thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for future videos because I've got a couple more. I've got my trip down to Wayside to come for the actuator change and Rolling Road, and I've got another one coming as well. So stick around for that. Make sure you subscribe, post notifications are on so you get notified when the videos are uploaded. And that's a thanks and a bye from me. See you in the next one.